Okay, warm up today. We've got simplifying some expressions with squares on them. So 3 plus 3, quantity squared. Order of operation says you do what's in the parentheses first. So you're going to do 3 plus 3 first, which of course is 6. Then 6 squared means 6 times 6, which is going to be 36. Nothing crazy. Same thing down here. Do what's in your parentheses first. So negative 3 minus 2 is going to be a negative 5. Then you square that, so negative 5 times negative 5 will be a positive 25. The big takeaway here is anytime you have a negative value, but you're squaring it, you're going to result in a positive. All right, so those two, just straight up numbers, nothing too crazy. The next two have variables in them, and we can't add x and 4 because those aren't like terms. So what we have to do instead is we have to go ahead and write this in expanded form. And so what expanded form means is x plus 4 squared means that you're doing x plus 4 times x plus 4. Now that you're written like this, you can use your distributive property, or maybe you've heard it called FOIL. And that's where you're going to go ahead and go, all right, x times x, that's x squared. X times 4, that's 4x. 4 times x, that's also 4x. And then 4 times 4, which is 16. So again, just making sure that each part gets multiplied by each other part. From here, you do have a little set of like terms there that can be combined. So the 4x and the 4x will combine to make 8x. And this would be your simplified answer. And we're going to use that today when we get to the notes. So that's kind of why it's in here. All right, so another example here, same thing really. So we write it in expanded form. So it's going to be x minus 2 times x minus 2. Then we go ahead and we do our distributive property. So x times x is x squared. Now, as you do several of these, you're going to notice you're always going to get these two terms in the middle that are always going to match. So like right here, we're going to go x times negative 2 is negative 2x. This is also going to give us negative 2x. So as you do a few of these, you're going to realize, oh, I can just put those together right away. So negative 2x and negative 2x will actually just be a negative 4x. And then negative 2 times negative 4, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And so you can save yourself a step by doing that. You don't have to do it, but if you'd like to, feel free. I like to use shortcuts, so you should too.